development of seed, development of fruit, and dormancy. Let us discuss first of all development of seed. The goal of reproduction in every living organism is to create new offspring for next generation. By forming the seed, plants can produce offspring. The flower must be pollinated to produce seeds and fruit. Development of seed is initiated by fertilization. After fertilization, the integuments of ovule get transformed into seed coat. In some plant, seed coat also has two layers. Outer protective typical layer is called testa, and inner thin membranous layer is called tegmen. The nucellus of ovule may be persist in some genera like black pepper, beet, and develop thin peppery-like layers known as perisperm. On the basis of use of a reserve food for the development of embryo, seeds are classified into two types. First type is endospermic seeds or albuminous seed. Second type is non-endospermic seed or ex-albuminous seed. Let us discuss the first type, that is endospermic seed. In this type, endosperm is partially utilized by developing embryo. Means in this type, endosperm acquire maximum place in this seed. Means the endosperm conspicuous in this type. Example is here coconut, castor, and maize. On the other hand, non-endospermic seed or ex-albuminous seed. In this type, embryo use entire reserve food material during the developmental stage of embryo. Thus, the endosperm is disappear after the development of such seeds. Example is here bean and pea. In non-endospermic seeds, cotyledon acts as storage of food material. In some non-endospermic seed, cotyledon is the first photosynthetic organ. In some plant, micropyle also persist after fertilization on the seed coat. This micropyle after fertilization, it is present as a pore. This pore is responsible for entry of water and oxygen during the soaking. Now example is here pea and bean for the non-endospermic seed. Then let us discuss about the development of fruit. Development of fruit takes place by the hormone secreted by seed. After fertilization, zygote is formed, and then during that time the ovary, after fertilization, ovary get differentiated into development of fruit. This ovary responsible for development of the fruit wall, known as pericarp. In some example, pericarp may be differentiated into three sublayers: outer epicarp, middle mesocarp, and inner endocarp. Example is here coconut and mango. Now let us discuss about the significance of seed and fruit development. Fruit provide the nourishment to the developing seed. Second significance is here fruit protect the seed in immature seed or the immature condition. Third, seeds is the important propagating organ for the plant. Seeds and fruit develop special device for dispersal and also acts in distribution of the plant. So these are the significance of fruit and seed development. Let us discuss next topic, dormancy. What is the dormancy? Dormancy is the state of metabolic arrest that facilitates survival of organism in adverse environmental condition. Means dormancy is physiological or structural adaptive mechanism for survival. Matured and viable seed will not germinate even in presence of favorable condition. During this time, they are dispersed at different places. Viable seed only germinate after the completion of dormancy period. So this is all about the dormancy.